Hello everyone, welcome to the Pixo Tech channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple LED blinking circuit using an Arduino and simulate it in Proteus. This is one of the most basic projects for beginners who are learning Arduino programming. In this simulation, we are using an Arduino board, an LED, and a resistor. First, we open the Pick Devices window in Proteus Design Suite and select the required components. Then we place them on the workspace. Next, we change the resistor value to 220 ohms, which is used to limit the current flowing through the LED and protect it from damage. After that, we add a ground terminal to complete the circuit. Now we connect the components. Pin 13 of the Arduino is connected to the resistor. The resistor is connected to the LED. Finally, the LED is connected to ground. This completes the circuit, and the Arduino program will control the LED connected to digital pin 13. Next, open Arduino IDE and use this code. After writing the program in the Arduino IDE, we need to load this code into the Arduino model in Proteus. First, go to the Sketch menu and click Export Compiled Binary. This action compiles your program and generates a hex file in the same folder as your sketch. The hex file contains the machine code that the Arduino board can run. Next, open Proteus and double-click the Arduino board in your workspace to open its properties. In the Properties window, locate the Program File option. Click the folder icon and browse to the hex file generated by Arduino IDE. After selecting the hex file, click OK to confirm. Now the code is loaded into the Arduino in Proteus. Finally, click the Run Simulation button. The Arduino will execute the program, and you can see the LED blinking according to the code. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Arduino and electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.